I am Taruna Chaube and today I am going to teach you from Moral Science Chapter 1 Living in Harmony. Living in harmony means सद्भाव में रहना. So listen children, we all are Indians and we proud to be Indians. Every citizen who loves his motherland is a patriot. There are many national festivals celebrated in India, such as the Independence Day, the Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti as national days. India is an independent and sovereign state. The national flag, the national anthem, the national emblem, the national symbols all symbolize the national pride of every Indian. There are many great Indian freedom fighters who fought bravely in our country. They taught us the lessons of love and sacrifice. Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian freedom fighter and a teacher. He stood for the unity of the country. He showed the dignity of labor and equality of human beings. He is the father of our nation. People called him Bapu. Gandhiji freedom of our country from the Britishers. At last, Gandhiji's death on 30th January 1948. There are many cultural and religious festivals. All people of the neighboring villages together for fun and merriment. Some villages are famous for their cattle mela. Food mela picks up in cities and towns. Boat race, cockfights, camel races, flying of kites and balloons, flower shows, animal fair, etc. are the attraction of these melas. Religious festivals celebrates in India of all religions and is cast together. So children, every religion teaches us about the God who cares for all. God gave us rivers, seas, hills and mountains without restricting them to anyone, religion or region. Hindus wear the vermilion tilak on their forehead. Sikhs wear the turban. Muslims wear their caps before prayers. Christians wear a cross. These external symbols signify the God who created Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians and every other living being. So, my dear children, respect all religions. All students, write in your MSc notebook. Activity is your homework. So, exercise. First question. Tick the right answers. First one. We celebrate national days on 15th August as Independence Day, 14th November as Republic Day, 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. So children, if any date of national celebration is not given correct, write its correct date below. So correct one is 26 January, Republic Day. Second one, Tiranga is our national flag. Jana Gana Mana is our national song. Vande Mataram is our national anthem. Tiger is our national animal. Peacock is our national bird. If any of national symbol is not given, correct write its correct name below. So correct one is Vande Mataram is our national song and Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Question second, write true or false. First, every religion teaches us that there is only one God. True. Second, religious celebrations bring people of all castes and religions together. True. Third, Mahatma Gandhi showed dignity of labor and equality of all human beings. True. Fourth one, Harvest Festival is celebrated only in Punjab. False. Fifth one, the sun shines for everyone. True. Third question, answer the questions. First, what was Mahatma Gandhi's vision for achieving national harmony? Second, how do people remember Mahatma Gandhi on his martyrdom day? Third, what did Mahatma Gandhi do for the untouchable people? Fourth, which type of fun and merriment do the Indian villagers have on different occasions? Answer 1. Mahatma Gandhi stood for the unity of the country and advocated that every Indian, irrespective of caste, creed or religion, must live in harmony. Answer 2. Mahatma Gandhi on his martyrdom day pay homage on 30th January to remember. Answer 3. Mahatma Gandhi popularized the word Harijan, means the people of God for the untouchable people. Answer 4. The Indian villagers have different types of fun, merriment like boat races, cockfights, camel races, flying of kites and balloons, flower shows, animal fair, etc. So students, today's class is over. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.